guys, I'm Amy from The New Red, and together, you and I are going to take a little journey looking at the Micro Jig BLADECLEAN. Now this is one that I've never seen before, heard fabulous things about it, so let's take a look. Ooh, it's bigger than I expected. Looks like some kind of Tupperware container my nan would have, and I like it. Here we go. Ooh, okay. So in the bottom here, we have this kind of, I guess you call it like an abrasive mat. It looks quite cool. We've got some little abrasive discs as well. So from what I understand, you can actually use this to clean not just your saw blades, so from your table saw and your miter saw, but also your router bits as well, which is super fun. So I've got my main cleaning well in the middle here. So this is for our table saw or miter saw blades. And we've got this sneaky little cleaning well in the top of the lid here, which is for smaller bits like your router bit. So I'm going to take my cleaning solution and I'm going to pour it carefully in here. Very satisfying. And I'm going to then pour the rest in here. Hope this is right. Feels very strong. Man, I feel clean already. Okay, so it says here that most blades can be cleaned in 30 seconds or less. Now, I don't know about you, but cleaning blades is one of my most hated tasks, and I would probably just replace the blade before I clean it. So I'm interested to see how well this goes. All right, so what we need to do is lay a towel or something that is a little bit larger than our saw blade down next to our cleaning surface, or multiple towels if you're feeling so inclined. And I'm going to take the magnetic handle straight out of the lid here, which is going to be the safest way to handle my saw blade. So obviously this is a blade that I've taken out of my table saw. And what I'm going to do, according to the instructions, is pop it straight in this cleaning solution. Okay, what I now need to do is actually just leave it for 10 to 30 seconds. What I'm going to do is give it a quarter turn in the opposite direction that you would normally rotate. Some of them have arrows if you're a little bit confused. So I'm going to give it a slight downwards pressure and rotate. That was more than a quarter turn, but I'm a bit of an overachiever. And then we're going to bring it out of the solution and we're going to lay it down on our mat. And to detach the magnetic handle, you simply twist it on a little bit of an angle, like that, okay? Now, just using another mat or something so we're not handling the blade directly, we just need to flip it over. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to do our counterclockwise rotation. No, not, it's clockwise because my blade's the other way around. And then we'll bring it out of the cleaning solution and onto our little mat. Oh, it looks so good. Attach our handle and give it a bit of a pat down. Look at that. Now, there is one last option that I can also do if it's particularly that my blade teeth are dirty. Simply use the handle again, which is very satisfying. And then I'm going to put it in the opposite direction to my teeth and actually hold it at a 90-degree angle to that cleaning pad. So actually just rotate it through the cleaning pad like this, using some kind of hand coordination to give those teeth, oh, that looks good, to give those teeth a good clean as well. All I need to do now is to give that a good rinse off with some water to make sure there's no residual cleaning solution on it. And it's good to go back in the saw. We are going to do exactly the same thing again, but with our router bits. Now there's actually a separate compartment for our liquid in the lid, and on the underside of the lid is this little holder just made for your router bits. So it will take your 1/2-inch router bits, just like that, and it'll take your 1/4-inch router bits, just like that. So all you do is pop your router bits in the lid, pop it up upside down and into your cleaning solution. And then we wait 10 to 30 seconds. It's been 30 seconds, let's take a look. Ooh. So the same, we're going to grab our cloth from before. Now you've got two options from here. We have little abrasive discs that you can use if you're feeling fancy. I'm not feeling so fancy and I'm in the mood for some manual labor. So we've got a little wire brush and all we're going to do is give our bits a little bit of a scrub. They look so pretty. Beautiful. Again, the same as our saw blades, all we're going to do now is to give them a quick rinse under water just to remove any residual cleaning solution and then dry them off and they're good as new. So now we have our clean router bits with our clean blade, but we have all this cleaning solution. They've already thought about that. All you need to do is put your lid back on here. All your pieces live inside the lid. Pop your lid back on your base piece. Do up your little clips. That's it, you're set. You can pop this in the cupboard for whenever you need to clean next, and you don't have to worry about disposing of that cleaning solution because it'll be ready whenever you need. It is as easy as that. That is the BLADECLEAN from Micro Jig, which is available at TimberCon. I now have a clean saw blade and some clean router blades, and I'm ready to get back to work.